Hello and welcome. Today we have a question from JEE Advanced 2021 paper 2, which was in fact the exam which I had to give. Let E be the ellipse. This is the given equation to us. Three distinct points are given to us, P, Q, Q dash, and we are required to maximize the distance of the midpoints joining the points P and Q dash. To visualize the question, we can simply plot the 3 points here. If these are the midpoints, we can see that we basically need to maximize this green distance. To do this, we have three methods. The method 1 is the algebraic method. We can simply assume these 3 points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. We can calculate this distance as x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. And similarly for this point, and then we can form three sets of equations and solve it. We will get to the answer, but this is a very lengthy method, and the purpose of this exam is to solve using the shortest way possible within the smallest time. Hence, this method is not suitable for our exam. Method 2 would be to simply represent the 3 points on a diagram. We can see that we need this distance to be maximized. In class 10, we learned a theorem where it says that if these are the midpoints, then if this is 2a, then this will be a. This will be half the length of the base. Here we can apply a similar analogy where we can see that if we need m1, m2, we can simply maximize qq dash because it is a dependent of qq dash. To maximize qq dash, we can see that the biggest possible length within this ellipse will be the major axis. There is no other larger length possible. The third point has to be here so that we can form the midpoints. We can see if this length is 2a, which is 8 as per the equation of the ellipse, then this will be 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Hence the answer to our question is 4. Using the third method, it's a hit and run way where we can take 3 cases. The first case will be taking 2 points here, the third point here. Now, if I just join these points, we can see that if this length is 2b, then this midpoint will be 3 because it is 6 by 2, half the base length, right? The second hit and trial would be to take 2 points here. You can see if this is 8, then this would be 4. Hence we have a bigger answer than this 3. So we can simply cancel this answer out, and for now this is our biggest answer. The third hit and trial would be to take this point here. Now, if we join these points, we can simply see that if this is our line segment's length, and if we take these 2 points and shift them here, suppose, and here, right? I'm just shifting them here. So if I take now, our new triangle would be this dotted triangle, and our new length would be this. As you can see, the length has increased on moving the points up. If we move them further up here, we can see that if I draw this triangle here, this length actually decreases from this, right? Hence, this point is not possible, this point is not possible, this is a better point, but then this would lead to the maximum value of the midpoint. Hence, we can conclude that this would be 8 by 2 is equal to 4, bringing us back to our method 2, which is basically a better way of thinking, method 3. So our answer to this question would be 4. Thank you.